Hello everyone, welcome back to 2-Minute Tips. Let's get started. Emailing is one of the most popular ways to distribute surveys, and the Qualtrics mailer provides a convenient way to send customized emails to your potential respondents. Let's begin with the survey project we wish to distribute. After opening the project, we will go to the Distributions tab. If it's your first time clicking this tab, you will see a screen asking, how do you want to distribute your survey? This screen will display all of the different distribution methods. If you visited the Distribution tab before, you will be prompted with this screen. Regardless of which screen you see, you will want to go to the email section and click Compose Email. Once you begin composing an email, the first drop-down list you come across lets you decide who this email is for. You can choose a specific contact list or segment to send this to. For today's lesson, I will be choosing a pre-made contact list that only includes myself. You can always create a new contact list by selecting Lists, then New Contact List, and filling out the contact information. After selecting your recipients, you will then be able to modify your from address, from name, and reply to email. You can then select when you want this email to be sent. I'm choosing now, but you can always select another option or customize the date and time. After scheduling the email, you can then choose your subject line. You can load a subject line from the library or type one directly into this text box. Last but not least, you can include your message. You will see that some pre-populated text is already there. This includes the survey link and an opt-out link. Typically, you will leave those unedited and include your message above this line. Once you've filled everything out, you can click Send Preview Email. This will prompt you to add an email address. This allows you to see exactly what your recipients will see before you send your emails out. On the bottom left-hand side, if you click Show Advanced Options, you can decide which type of link you wish to include in your email. Individual links are the default link type. Each participant receives a personalized link that can only be used once and tracks contact information. Multiple complete links and anonymous links can both be used multiple times. However, anonymous links do not track any contact information, whereas multiple complete links do. Link expiration will allow you to choose when you want the link to stop displaying the survey after it's been clicked. Once you've finalized your information and are ready to send, you can click Send Email, and this email will be distributed to all of the selected recipients. And that's it. Thank you for learning how to compose and distribute survey emails with me today. Please remember to subscribe to the 2-Minute Tip category so you never miss a video, and I hope to see you around the XM community.